Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I'm JR, and this is Motivation on Everything. We are continuing where we left off from last video. I'm going over what I have in my emergency snatch and go bag. If you're just now tuning in, you're about 7 videos behind. So when you have time, go ahead and click on my channel and catch up. And maybe you'll come across something that you would like to have for yourself. These videos are to motivate you to put together a bag of your own and prepare for the unknown. Just a reminder, my channel is about motivation on everything, so it will be many topics to go over and discuss. So if you have any suggestions of any motivational videos that you think I should make, go ahead and comment that down below and let me know. Today we're going to be starting part 8, and I believe I saved the best for last, which will be the end of my snatch and go bag. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can receive notifications on new videos that'll keep you motivated. Now let's jump right into it. Okay, what's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be giving a review on my fishing pole kit. I'm really excited to see how this works, and I think this will be a very useful thing to have in your snatch and go bag, especially when you're on the outdoors and trying to catch some food to eat. If you give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day. But if you teach them how to fish, he'll eat for a lifetime. So this is something that I really want to get into and learn how to do. So this will be my second time. And to be honest, I don't know anything about fishing. So this will be all new to me. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what I have in my fishing kit, put it together, and see how it works. First off, I think it's nice that it has its own carrying bag. You have your fishing line, you have your bait and hook, spinning reel, your directions, and your fishing rod. The reason why I bought this particular fishing rod is because it was collapsible. And I think that's very convenient when you're trying to put this in your bag instead of having a big fishing rod. This rod extends out to 7 feet. Take off the cap, and all you have to do is pull it out and it will lock in place itself. And now you have your 7-foot rod. To put it together, attach your spinning reel to this open space at the top and bottom, and you screw down this part to lock it in place. Now that we have it locked in place, you then add your fishing line. You're gonna tie it around this area. I would give it about a few knots. Cut this extra piece. Now you roll your line around this space to however long you want your line to be. Just keep twisting until you get the length that you want. Once you're done with that, cut the line, then run it through each hole until you reach the end. Once you do that, you grab the hook that you want. Go ahead and stick it in this small hole. Tie a couple of knots. Now your fishing rod is ready. Let's grab our bait, go on the outdoors, and test it out. I'm gonna take out the patio boat, and we're gonna go ahead and test out this fishing pole and see if this actually is good to keep in my snatch and go bag. On the patio.
Okay, patio.
Up to 90% of people find true that works in just 1 month.
Do not take.
Give it a minute and see how long it takes for me to catch something. Hopefully I do to show that. Okay, so my overall review for this item, I was really impressed. I wasn't able to catch any fish on my first time out, but I did have a lot of fun, and I believe this is the perfect fishing rod to have for what I needed it for. The main thing that made me get this particular rod was that it was collapsible and it was able to fit in my bag. I mean, for 40 bucks, it comes with a nice kit. This rod was perfect for me, and I have no dislikes for it, and I would highly recommend it. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you to make that purchase. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for my Snatch and Go bag. I really hope these videos were useful and you found some things that you would want to have for yourself, and was encouraging for you to put together a bag of your own. This bag is not just for an emergency. This would be a perfect bag to go camping with, which I will be doing for myself. Now, I know it's a few things that I didn't go over that you should have with you as well. So maybe next video or later on, I'll put together a couple of bonus videos for you guys. I have a lot more motivational videos to share on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Now let's end it off with saying, don't ever give up. Stay strong. Let's see what works. Until next time, stay motivated.